So you want to be speedy with SoFi transfers? Let's talk timing. Ever stare at your phone willing a bank transfer to magically appear? We've all been there. So, if you're a SoFi user and the burning question on your mind is how long does it take to transfer money, you've clicked the right video. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's unpack the different types of transfers SoFi offers. Because, plot twist, the answer depends on where that money's headed. Scenario 1, SoFi to SoFi, sharing is caring and instant. Need to pay your bestie back for that epic concert you went to? SoFi to SoFi transfers are your saving grace. These peer-to-peer, P2P, transactions are lightning fast. We're talking instant. Yep, you read that right. The money hits your friend's SoFi account as soon as you hit send. No waiting, no delays, just pure financial high fives. Scenario 2, SoFi outward bound, exploring external accounts. Alright, SoFi to SoFi is fantastic, but what if you need to transfer money to your old bank account, or maybe send some funds to family across the country? This is where things get a tad more nuanced. SoFi uses ACH transfers for these external transactions, which are generally reliable but not quite warp speed. Typically, ACH transfers take 1 to 3 business days to reach the destination account. But hold on, there can be a few factors affecting this time frame. Business days only, remember, those 1 to 3 days apply to weekdays only. So, if you initiate a transfer on a Friday afternoon, don't expect it to magically appear in your grandma's account over the weekend. It'll likely be there Tuesday morning. Bank processing time. Once SoFi sends the transfer, your recipient's bank also needs to process it. Some banks might be a little quicker than others, so a bit of wiggle room exists within that 1 to 3 day window. Scenario 3, SoFi's speedy secret weapon, direct deposit. Now, if you're on the receiving end of a transfer, SoFi has a secret weapon up its sleeve, direct deposit. Setting up direct deposit for your paycheck or other recurring payments into your SoFi account can be a game changer. Here's why. Lightning speed. Direct deposits are often processed much faster than traditional transfers, sometimes even appearing instantly in your SoFi account. Predictability. Since it's a recurring deposit, you can plan your finances around that specific date. No more wondering when that paycheck will finally hit. So, how do you speed up SoFi transfers? While we can't control the inner workings of other banks, there are a few things you can do on your end to potentially expedite transfers. Initiate transfers early. The sooner you initiate a transfer, the sooner the clock starts ticking on those 1 to 3 business days. Double-check account info. Typos happen, but they can seriously delay a transfer. Ensure all your recipient's account details are accurate before hitting send. Consider direct deposit. If you have the option, switching your recurring deposits to SoFi can significantly improve your access to funds. The final takeaway. SoFi offers a range of transfer options, each with its own speed. While external transfers might take a few business days, SoFi to SoFi transfers are instant, and direct deposit can be a fantastic way to get your money quickly. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. By understanding the different transfer types and how long they might take, you can ensure your money is where you need it, when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.